Welcome to 5-minute solution channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set Google as the default search engine on Microsoft Edge web browser. For that, first you have to open Microsoft Edge web browser. After that, you have to click this 3-dot icon. Then you have to go to settings. In settings, you have the search option where you have to type search engines. So here you will find an option address bar and search. Click on that. Then you have to go to manage search engines. Then here you can see which are the default search engine. Here we can see that Bing is the default search engine. We have to change it to Google. In here you will automatically find the Google option. You can click in more action and select make default. In that way it will be the default search engine. So this way you can make Google as the default search engine. And don't worry, in this page you will always find Google as an option to select as default search engine. Please like and comment on this video and also subscribe this channel.